Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to add resume to LinkedIn. First of all you have to do is open the linkedin.com and sign in with your account. Your feed will open. All you have to do is click on the Me section on the top right corner and click on Settings and Privacy. A new page will open. From here you have to go to the Data Privacy, click on it. From here you have to scroll down just a bit until you see Job Seeking Preferences. Under job seeking preferences, you'll see a lot of options. For example, job application settings, your profile, you have to click on job application settings. On this page, you will be able to see share resume data with recruiters. All you have to do is click on upload resume, and you have to make sure that your resume must be in a doc or docx file, which is also a Word file, or it can be a PDF file. All you have to do is click on upload resume. Your file explorer will open. Select your resume. Once it's uploaded, you can either turn this option on, or if you want to let that option turned off, then whenever you apply for a job, then it will ask you manually if you want to share your resume with the recruiters or not. So that's all you have to do to add your resume to LinkedIn. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.